Esquire eLitigate is an integrated, purpose-built deposition platform offered by Esquire Deposition Solutions. eLitigate provides a suite of integrated features, including high-definition video conferencing, private sidebar meeting rooms, exhibit presentation, screen share, and script sync, our live speech-to-text testimony review tool for attorneys. This tutorial will give you an overview of eLitigate, its features, and how they work together as one integrated deposition platform. eLitigate's high-definition video supports up to 50 video participants. The witness video automatically appears prominently pinned at the top of the screen. Each participant is able to customize their own view by pinning multiple attendees, such as the taking attorney. Each participant can also expand the video window by clicking on the exhibit panel slider, then contract the view to show exhibits by clicking on the slider again. Next is the exhibit presentation panel. eLitigate supports a range of common litigation image file types: PDF, PNG, JPEG, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Prior to the deposition, each party can upload their documents into their private exhibits list. These documents remain hidden from others until they are presented. The exhibit presentation workflow will be familiar to attorneys. During questioning, the presenter may review their exhibit, share it with all participants, and stamp it. Once introduced, the exhibit appears in the Live Exhibit tab of all participants. The exhibit owner has the option to direct all participants to a specific page, annotate the exhibit, and give the witness and others permission to annotate. To keep things simple for everyone else, parties who do not have control see grayed out screen controls. The taking attorney can turn over questioning to the opposing counsel or co-counsel when there is no open document. The new questioner can then preview, stamp, and share their own exhibits. They also have the option of recalling exhibits introduced previously by others. Each participant can adjust their view of the exhibit. For example, a large document with details can be maximized to fill the screen. Not all exhibits are documents. eLitigate includes screen share, which supports audio-video exhibits and exhibits that are in unusual file formats. As a dedicated deposition platform, eLitigate indicates when the deposition is on or off the record. Controlled by the host, the court reporter or videographer, going off the record stops the script sync and audio-video recording if you have a videographer. The running time clock stops whenever the deposition goes off record. While off record, you can meet virtually in one of the 4 private sidebar rooms. The sidebar virtual room enables legal teams to hold off-the-record meetings in a virtual space. A host does not need to assign a sidebar room. Like an in-person deposition, one participant tells their legal team to join them in a particular sidebar, identified by a number 1 through 4. Each member of the team clicks the designated sidebar number button. They appear in the sidebar room. Once the team is inside, they can lock the virtual door. Outside parties cannot enter or view sidebar room sessions. Conversations in the sidebar room may not be recorded. Once the sidebar meeting is over, each participant rejoins the deposition by clicking on the Return to Deposition button. On the right side of your screen, click on the orange slider bar to open the Script Sync panel. Script Sync provides automated speech-to-text conversion for on-the-record testimony review by all parties, except the witness. Script Sync includes in-proceeding testimony search, review, and private playback. To ensure the greatest degree of accuracy, Script Sync uses speaker diarization. This means each speaker's computer audio is captured as a separate audio track.
Scheduling
Clicking
is
on Join Now will take you into the deposition room. Clicking on Join Now will take you into the deposition room.
No risk of rescheduling due to weather or travel delay.
If 2 speakers speak over each other, each speaker's channel independently captures what they said. Attorneys use Script Sync as part of the in-proceeding speech-to-text testimony review and playback tool. Reporters use this as a review work product to finalize the transcript. To learn more about eLitigate's individual features, view the other eLitigate videos in this tutorial series.